Can I take this off?
Nope.
Didn't think so.
Never did good with the ladies. A man dressed up as a cat will date me. On the net, I'm a furry pope. An alleged list of underage groping.
That's the thing that the Jews didn't like, and for that I'm accused being on the alt-right.
I like taking hikes in the park dressed like a mouse hanging out where the little kids bike.
They accused me of diddling kids, but I was online at the time raising Hitler.
Keep it smart to align what you can. Also take a look who runs CNN. I wish the Jews would admit it. 90% of the media in it.
Now I'm accused of exposing my penis. I'm a proud viewer of Gavin McGinnis.
I dress like a squirrel whenever I want. I'm not allowed near a school anymore.
I dress like a dog and park down the road. I bark at boys, got surprise in my coat.
I dress like a squirrel, why teasing me? I smoke marijuana, I was not with 2 G's.
I dress like a dog, Hitler had a point. Let's take back control, I'm ready. They call me a pedo, dressed like a poop. Break into your house with your baby too.
Hey, I think that I know you.
We met in Charlottesville.
Media lying about Steve Bannon. Dressing like a dog doesn't make me a faggot.
They call me Chris, last name Brown. Unrecognized with the dog mask on.
Who run the world? Man with small hats. I dress like a squirrel and have sex with cats. That country on the Jews like a Dale.
Tweeting from Kanye's phone, raising hell. Is Ben Affleck one of us? I don't know. Ask Matt Damon or his bitch J-Lo. And if your daughter ends up on the pole,
At least she's not at a conference dressed like a dog.
I dress like a squirrel and believe in God. I want a future for my white girl and son.
I'm dressed like a dog in an expo hall. You're part of my nose and I'm shooting them all.
I dress like
There
a
is not much
squirrel.
time left. It is not confirmed that your death will be quickened.
I dress like a dog. The Jews have our coins. We must galvanize. I'm ready.
Don't be a cat, the left tells me.
We'll get
Let's be cats, we can fight them
They
heat.
control iPads and all of TV.
Wait, where's Clifford gone? He's eating soup with the chew cap on.
I thought we're safe at the furry con. Have you considered we accept Islam?
That sounds fun.
We'll be free.
And put an end to degeneracy.
No more will we accept the gays. We could go back to the better days.
Things were great, we were white. It was safe to go out at night.
Everyone had a house and a car and dressed like a woodland pedophile.
I dress like a squirrel and pray to Allah. Shout Allahu Akbar, driving on the sidewalk.
I dress like a dog. They're calling me gay. It's the January 6th and it's all a caliphate.
I dress like a girl, watching H3. I'm estrogen pills, I'm out here fighting Sunnis.
I dress like a dog. I'm Saddam Hussein. Back when he was Case Kanye, our guy.
The club isn't the best place to stop a lover, so the gym is where I go. That is where I spy on you when you box. I pretend I box also. I've got a weird obsession with the shape of your body. This creepy song is all about that. Like your hands, nose, the shape of your ears, it's on the throat and the shape of your mouth. And now I'm singing like, what size are your boxing gloves? Show me your handshake.
Hold on, what? Excuse me.
Come on now, just let me see. I may be crazy, don't mind me.
Say, boy, your head is messed up. Don't touch my waist, why are you measuring me?
Because I love your body.
OMG, you are a freak.
I'm in love with the shape of you.
There is not much time left. It is not confirmed that your death will be quickened. To end yourself before he...
Last night I was in your room. I stole this red bra from you. That's how I get out the shape of your bust. Can I measure your DNC?
Weirdo, 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 weirdo. You're obsessed with my body.
Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Shape by in the ball. When we came in, back to the gym was to get your body. Watching from the distance so you wouldn't see me. It was like we were on our second date. I watched my eyes making me do so all in the shapes. I left a note in your long dress and your body stopped. Girl, let's get naked, what you say. And now you're singing swinging like.
Weirdo, do you even box? Or do you just come to this gym to stalk me and inspect my body? God damn it, stop measuring me.
Girl, yes, of course I box.
Okay, then prove it, throw a left hook at me.
Can I first measure your feet?
Wait, hold on, are those my panties?
Still there for the locker room.
Okay, this has to end right now, dude. I'm getting in that ring with you. I'm gonna beat your body. Objectifying girls is rude. We have personalities too. We're more than just hot bodies.
Show me your moves. I'm in love with your body.
Why are you such a psychopath?
I'm in love with your body. Look, I even made up a graph. It's shaping up my nightstand.
I'm gonna knock your teeth out, man.
This is making me horny. Can I please cover all your shapes with this loop?
Here's two shapes I got just for you.
Does any one of us spare tooth?
Not much time left. It is not confirmed that your death will be quick and painless. It is recommended to end yourself before he toys with you.